Friends, today we are talking about productivity measurements. So here we talking about two key indicators to measure the productivity in any industry or plant. So the first one is single factor productivity and second one is multi-factor productivity. So formula is listed here. Productivity means output divided by input, and single factor productivity, unit produced or output divided by labor are used. And here total factor productivity is also known as multi-factor productivity, output divided by labor plus material plus energy plus capital plus other things, miscellaneous things are used to calculate the total factor productivity or multi-factor productivity. So here two formulas are given, single factor productivity as well as total factor or multi-factor productivity. So friends, for more clarity we use a formula with example. So the question is here, a car manufacturer company wants to evaluate its labor productivity and multi-factor productivity in two different units. The first one is manual unit and second one is automatic unit. Friends, both unit having same manpower as 60 and each manpower working hour is 8 hours per day, and their payroll, each staff having payroll is 800 per day, and overhead expenses for manual unit is 300 per day, while automatic unit having overhead expenses is 500 per day. So the manual unit produced or assembled 10 vehicle per day, while in case of automatic unit, the automatic unit produced or assembled 20 nose vehicle per day. So what is the single factor productivity and multi-factor productivity against this question, automatic as well as manual? So the given data is for manual unit is number of staff having or labor or employee having 60, working hour for each employee is 8 hour, payroll having each employee payroll having 800 rupees, and number of production per day is 10 news. Overhead expenses for manual unit is 300 rupees. In automatic unit, number of staff 60, working hour 8 hour per day and payroll 800 rupees, but production is 20 nose per day, and here overhead expenses for automatic unit 500 rupees. So what is a single and multi-factor productivity? So the formula is apply for single factor productivity. So here we calculated first manual unit. So labor productivity equals to 10 nose, output is 10 nose per day divided by 60 employee multiple 8 hour is given as 0.0208 nose labor hour. This is a labor productivity for manual, and here multi-factor productivity for manual unit is 10 nose output divided by 800 payroll plus 300 rupees expenses. It comes out here 0.00909 nose per rupees. For automatic, here labor productivity 20 nose output divided by 60 employee and 8 hour working day, it comes out 0.0416 nose per labor hour. And multi-factor productivity 20 nose output divided by 800 payroll plus overhead expenses 500 rupees, it comes out 0.0153 nose per rupees. So you see here labor productivity has increased from manual to automatic unit is 0.01416 minus 0.0208. It comes out here, you see here, this is a manual labor productivity and here automatic labor productivity. So the incremental is 100%, not is perfect, but it is some, you try to understand what is the question is saying here. And here multi-factor productivity increment is manual multi-factor productivity this, and multi-factor productivity for automatic unit is this. So increment is 68%. So here 100% and here 68%. Labor productivity 100%, multi-factor productivity 68%. So this is the questions and formula apply to measure productivity measurement. Thank you.